Hey guys, MD95TSI here. What's going on with you guys today? Got you out here because I have a package from QDL. We actually got our packages on the same day. It was pretty cool. They must have like changed paths or something. So, sorry about that wind. It's ugly out here, the wind, but it's nice out here, so we gotta be outside doing this. So, you guys know what I'm gonna do, get into it with the AK knife. So let's get up here and get into it. And I want you guys to, I set the camera up a little different instead of on my head, that way you can see, you know, my reactions and what's in here, my face or whatnot. So, I think we're gonna have to be up more or less. So let's try to tilt this back a little bit. Get us up. Hang on, you're good. Just lift that middle pole. Bring it up some more. Again, bring it up. Alright, it'll work. Yeah, just tighten that back down. Alright guys, so we got the camera set up here. I'm a little bit taller than the tiki bar, so I can kind of get down under it. So let's see what Justin has sent. And there's a couple things right out the top that I know goes to Crystal. And he give you a helicopter too.
Thank you, Justin.
Oh, I almost dropped it off of there. Yeah, he said you need to have some fun with that. How do you know I need rubber bands? I literally was just walking around the house looking for a rubber band yesterday, trying to hang the Hubsan up. Right on point, bro. Amazing how you know them things. This is the bumper of something that he's told me about. Power. That was through the one. Power, I don't know what that is. Oh, you know, I know what that's gonna be. I know what that's gonna be. Gotcha. I try to get to where I'm not hunched down here. Maybe I can sit down and you guys can see me. I just feel weird hunching over. New setup. And Justin, let me try to get this camera tilted down just a little bit more. I know I hate when I do different angles and different things, because then it messes me up. Throws me off my game. He must be sending some sheets down for when he gets when he comes to visit. No, that's what he's throwing there. He'll have bubble wrap and he softens it up with the sheets. Awesome, brother. You're gonna need your sheets back though. See what we got in here. See, it's hard to kind of be down in there. The DJI Hobby F330. What? What the heck is in here? Oh, okay, I think I know what this is gonna be. Nothing back there. Alright. I'm still off at the angle. So let's get in here. Alright, so here is gonna be transmitter for Crystal's helicopter. Should have fun with that, Justin, banging it all over. And he gave that to you because he said you owe me payback for me flying the Whoop around you. I said, but she better be as good as that with me with the Whoop as I am with the Whoop. So he takes his shirts and wraps up the transmitter. Brother, you didn't have to do that. And he said that the nut comes off of that. I understand what that is. Yep, just like it. Just like the P2. So you guys probably know what's in the box then, right? You probably already knew. Justin, I'm gonna kick your rear end because I'm seeing something in here that wasn't supposed to be in here. Not the shirt, but anyway. I'll send all your clothes back to you, brother.
Maybe Mama knew something too. Just saying.
Nice. I know what this is. Yeah, right here. Brother, I thought you were going to build this. So I take it he wants me to build it. Awesome, guys. A DJI Flame Wheel 330.
Yep.
Justin, you're a bomb, dude. Wow. Already got the ESCs up on it. It's got the motors. 18 amp ESCs also. So she needs the flight controller. So awesome. Wow.
I keep secrets too, just saying.
You're awesome, bro. What? Man, that's sweet. 330 Flame Wheel. Oh, these going to be the prop guards. Yeah, I see what he meant by the guy had them on there rigged up. Yeah, we know we won't use them, Justin. I see what you mean. Now, how's he going to have them on there like that? That, like you said, the barely little bump will fall off. But anyway, they're for noob flyers. Alright, guys, let's see what's in here. That wind is something. Something, man. Something. Blowing hard. Like he trying to get me back for the tape. You guys saw his box this morning, right? And these are just everything's good with this, guys. It's just that we took them off for shipping. That way it was able to be put down in there. So there it is, a Phantom 1. And you guys know MD gonna clean her up. She's gonna be shining. Sweet, dude. Awesome. That is nice, man. I like it. The monster stickers. Now I'm gonna keep the stickers on. I just clean everything up around it. Looks just like the Phantom 2, more or less. Just like it. Sweet. Got a actual, not proprietary battery, but a regular battery with the Dean's connector. Nice balance port charger for the LEDs that are on it. Sweet, dude. Can't wait to fly this monster. Yay! I'm running out of space over here, guys. That's awesome, guys. But so if you guys don't know, me and Justin swapped this Phantom 1 for the Wacara Runner 250. He's more, you know, he's getting into the race drone, so we gotta have a couple of them, right? I gotta send your shirts back to you, man. You can't just like send your shirts away. I threw them back in a box when we send other stuff I gotta send up to him. I see a bee old buzzing around me. Who better go on? Guys, check this out. He literally gave me the charger. You guys remember this, right? You guys remember this on QDL's channel, don't you? This was the one. Yep, he ran off the roof. He literally gave it to me, dude. Justin, you're awesome, dude. You are the man. Wow, dude, that is sick. I like it. I'm gonna rip her around out here. Let me set this down over here. That thing is a beast. I like that charger, dude. Beast, man. There's some springs. I'll put them in my pocket. I don't remember what they're for. Look at the transmitter on this guy. Nice. Sweet. Does all kind of stuff. I have to figure all that out. I'll mess something up, but I don't. Justin, you're awesome, dude. I'm having so much fun. Up there's another spring. I'll put that in my pocket. Rubber bands. He must have really known I needed some rubber bands. He's like, I know this guy hanging all them quads up. He's gonna need some rubber bands. You're right, I do. All right, then we have a bag here. Let's go get the box out of here. You guys can see? Yes, you can see. You can see clearly now. Uh-oh. Look at that. It came with a little bag, too. And this is going to be, I believe, yes, it is. I feel it through the bag. The DJI camera for that Phantom. Pretty cool. And a DJI bag. Stop playing. Let me turn this around. You guys won't get to see everything right at the gate. Okay, this is an IMAX B6 charger. And if I'm not crazy, they had knockoffs of this running around, and this is legit. It does have the hologram sticker. So awesome. I don't know if Justin even knew that. I was schooled on that myself. This thing, okay, it says IMAX, so this is going to be the charger for it. We got a Dean's connector. Hook it to a battery charger. Okay, here's the Phantom batteries. 2200 milliamps, 11.1 20C charge. Boom. And then Justin was so kind, dude, when we traded. He literally went out and bought a brand new battery for me. They had a drone expo up there to his house, and he went and purchased this battery for me. I'm telling you, Justin's a good guy. If you guys don't know Justin, man, QDL Flight, probably who you might know more of than Justin. Go check him out. This is, oh, I can know this for. This goes to this end. Okay, there we go. That's the other leg for the Phantom one. And then we have some propellers. Yeah, them propellers are a little bit smaller than the other Phantoms, aren't they, Justin? I get what you're saying, man. But we'll see if Master Air Screws won't handle that guy. And then here's another connector for that. Okay, so, and I have same thing like this, Justin. I have one with a JST XT60, or yeah, the XT60 connector. So that's awesome. I said JST. Okay, so I see all the balancing ports. Cool beans, man. And he did test a battery that I charged for him. I charged the battery and sent it up there to him with the Waikaro runner, and because he's got all these crazy professional chargers, he put it on the charger. It wasn't up to par, so we're gonna see difference, I think, in flight and whatnot. Justin, you're awesome, man. I knew about the battery charger. I knew about the Phantom. Like I said, we swapped up on that. I just got to put the legs back in it. He didn't want to take it off because the compass was on it. He's done flown it. It flies beautifully, he said. So this is the Phantom 1 FC40. The old knockoff, or not knockoff, but the old Phantom. Let's see what he means by the motor screws. Yeah, that guy didn't know what he was doing there, Justin. He loosened the motor screws, took them halfway out, and just crammed that plastic up on it. Yeah, brother, you did the right thing by pulling them off. No doubt, man. I like it, dude. I like it. I like it. And he said these lights are really, really bright. So we'll leave them on there, I think. I'm just going to clean everything up around it. They could use a TSC, but we'll get it right. 2 batteries. The other piece of landing gear, the transmitter. These are, yeah, these are just, might do them like Chris Riley would do. Nip it here, and then fly like your whoops through it or something. So, we'll keep these for a Riley project. Okay, wow, guys. Justin, I can't believe you sent me this, man. We were talking about this, and you were supposed to be building it. We were talking about you sending it here, and you were gonna send me the parts, and I was gonna get it up and running for you. But thank you so much. Nice, and you know these props will work on this Phantom too, brother, because they're the same. Which I know you know that, man. You're awesome, brother. I'm wanting to say this thing flew once before. Because they got sticky tape on it, and they're soldered everywhere. I'm wanting to say it flown. F330 flame wheel, DJI, stop playing. Awesome, that's the box for that. Now you guys saw everything else. And this is the bumper for the car, over here. It just broke off, and he said I could probably 3D print it, so he sent it through with that. So there's the transmitter again, just like the Phantom 2. Let's actually have some batteries in it. Okay. Let's see if the fan will fly. It won't fire up. Oh, it's because you got to put a battery in it. Alright guys, that's it. We are, I don't know if that camera up there is still working, hopefully. This is the package from QDL. Thank you, Justin, man. You're awesome, dude. I'm so glad we hooked up on YouTube because we have been really good friends right at the gate. So I get that charger running. Not running, but the battery charged up and get in it because I can't wait to drive that thing. Alright, guys. Y'all know, stop over QDL Flight. Check him out. Sub up to him. Everything. This is what we do. This is what the family do. We trade things and everything. Different things. This is a nice transmitter, dude. This is really nice. Awesome. Team Lousy. Alright, guys. So this video is probably running into being long. So stay tuned. I have something else coming that I have no idea about.